We have a high wind warning along the coast out until midnight tonight, where the winds could gust to 60 miles an hour. Inland, it is a wind advisory, and that wind is really blowing out there right now. How about the snow? The highest total I've seen so far is in Gardner with 7 inches of snow. Worcester right behind it at 6 inches of snow. So Worcester County, as we expected, was going to be the spot that got the most snow, and it's still snowing out there. You'll see how the bands are out there. If you look at the darker colors, that's indicating where we're seeing the steadier snow, and that line has been collapsing its way toward the coast all afternoon long. Just the very outer reaches of Cape Ann right now where we're seeing more of a rain, but then it goes to a mix and then it goes to snow as you look your way out toward the west. As you look towards Framingham, down through Walpole, and a heavier band right now over toward the Brockton area. But once you get out of that, it's pretty much rain as you're looking down toward the Cape. It's been so warm over the Cape, but cold enough inland that we started that snow coming in. So what's going to happen? Well, that line is now at the coast. It'll stay there through 6 o'clock with some steadier snows going on. And I would say the steadiest snow is between now and about 8 o'clock. After 8 o'clock, it's going to kind of start to fade away. It's still out there, but it will fade away a little bit. And then after midnight tonight, this will finally work its way on out of here and we'll get rid of all the snow. So the snowfall totals are going to be looking at the heaviest stuff inland, where a foot of snow seems pretty likely. But as you get closer to the coast, much more rain mixing with it, and that really kept the totals back. But boy, there was an incredible amount of water out there. By the way, as you look toward the Cape, you may not be getting much out of this one at all. Look at how much rain has fallen since midnight when you melt it down. We're talking in places that 2 to almost 3 inches of liquid content at this point. If it had been cold enough by a few degrees, we'd be talking about feet of snow, not inches of snow. So the winter storm warning continues until 7 a.m. for Boston and areas off to the west. Winter weather advisory out through the South Shore, and that goes until about 1 o'clock in the morning. What happens after this? Well, it's a breezy day tomorrow with temperatures only in the upper 30s. Monday, warming up not much with sunshine 38. There's a storm that's offshore, may throw some coastal flurries at us, but right now that storm will be remaining offshore, and we'll start warming things up as we head toward the end of the week with perhaps another chance of some showers a week from today.